how to fix Valorant graphics card problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. Only to do, just type here device manager, click on it. Now just click display adapters, right click on your GPU and click update driver. After that, click search automatically for drivers and make sure your driver is updated. Now type here graphics settings, and once you're here, click browse. Now you need to find Riot Games folder and then Valorant live shoot game shooter game binaries Win64, and here we'll find Valorant and click add. Then click here options, you will find it like that. First just try high performance and click save. If that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and try the first one and click save, and that's it. And now I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.